Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel Google Ads payment. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are on the main overview page for the account you want to manage. This is the starting point where you can access your account controls and billing related settings. Before you continue, it is a good idea to confirm that you are working in the correct Google Ads account, especially if you manage more than one. Taking a moment to verify this can help prevent changes to the wrong account. Once you are on the overview screen, look to the left side of the interface and click the Admin option. This section is where Google Ads keeps important account management tools, including settings that affect billing, permissions, and account status. If the menu looks slightly different on your screen, do not worry. Google occasionally updates its layout, but the Admin area is still the place you need to access. After opening Admin, click on Account Settings. This page contains the core settings for your Google Ads account and is where you can review administrative options tied to how the account operates. Move carefully here since this area contains settings beyond billing and you want to stay focused on the cancellation path. Next, find and click Account Status. This section shows the current standing of the account and includes the option related to shutting it down. If you do not immediately see it, give the page a moment to load fully and scan the available settings closely. Sometimes options are grouped under expandable sections, so look carefully before moving on. When you are in the Account Status section, click the option labeled Want to cancel this account. This is the step that starts the cancellation process for the Google Ads account, which in turn stops future ad activity and related payments going forward. As you proceed, read any on-screen information carefully so you understand what will happen after cancellation. Depending on your account setup, Google may provide additional details about billing, any remaining balance, or account reactivation options. That's the full process to reach the cancellation option in Google Ads. As a final tip, if you are canceling to avoid future charges, it is helpful to review any active campaigns and recent billing activity afterward so you understand the account's final status. Following these steps carefully will help you navigate to the correct setting and begin the cancellation process smoothly.